by Bike and Boat, and today we are stall moored here in beautiful South Staffordshire, just south of Kimber and just north of Whittington. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then comment in the comment section below to let us know that you've subscribed, because we love to welcome each and every new follower to our adventures. Well, it's been a really beautiful week here. Is one of our favourite places to moor. That's all I can say. It's oh, Jack has asked me to say sorry for my raggy old jumper, but it's much loved, you know. But yeah, no, it's become one of our most favourite places to moor. This week we went up to Chase Woods, which is not that far away from Kimber, actually, just on the outskirts, where we went to visit the Victorian Pet Cemetery. It was fantastic, but there was a grave for Whisper, which was a little bit unsettling. Apparently Whisper was shot in the 1800s, but there was loads of bluebells up there. It was such an incredible walk with the whole crew went. There was a lot of tree climbing to be done and flowers to be smelled as well. We really did enjoy our time there, and then we had a little walk up the Staffs Worcs Canal past Stoughton Junction. And up to Devil's Den as well, which we really did enjoy. Just spending the time together, some downtime really. And then we moved to a new mooring spot, the spot that we're in now, which, as I've said, is halfway between Kimber and Whittington. Whittington, in actual fact, interestingly, apparently, is the place where Dick Whittington, the infamous Dick Whittington, was born. Don't know how true it was, but that's what we've been told. We've also this week gone for a ride into Kidderminster, which is that way down, on our bicycles. And I've got a pannier rack on the back, which I strapped a cushion to. Fleur sat aboard, and we had great fun riding down the towpath. It's a decent towpath to be cycling on. We bought a shower. In actual fact, it's a little pump shower. We got it from Halfords, and it's fantastic because it just means that each and every evening we can boil the Kelly kettle, put some cold water into the shower container, and then the hot water, and it's just the right temperature then for a shower. We can pump it up, and then we can go and have a shower every evening, which is great. And then something really funny, earlier in the week I was sat by a bridge just up the way there, and there's two holes in this bridge, the boat hole and one for the horse. And in the Black Country just up the road, they call a horse an os, and a hole that they go through an ole. And so I was telling Fleur how the little tunnel next to the bridge was called an os hole. And of course, she recalled that just as a very, very respectful, polite family walked by at the top of her lungs, bless her. And then later in the week, Bob nicked me bicycle. Jackie's been having some bicycle issues, so she's going to go and get her bicycle fixed here in Kimber. Next week he's got it on his list to fix it for her. So she's been borrowing mine, which means that I've put the saddle down and Bobby's taken full advantage of going off and riding a Dutch bicycle. And I'm happy to say, in actual fact, he's fallen in love with riding it as well. Then we had a rainy day. I think the whole of the UK had a rainy day on Wednesday, so we had a movie inside, but then once it had passed, we came out and everything was looking lush in the evening, so we enjoyed the rest of the evening out on the towpath. Guys, that's been our week so far. Look, we're going to do some other stuff in this video, so stay with us and let's see what we come up with. Right, I'm getting hungry. Let's go make some food. Okay, so being vegan, dal is a huge deal on Narrowboat Bluebell. Not only is it super nutritious, healthy and good for you, it's amazingly tasty, really quick to make, and also as cheap as chips. So as a family, we absolutely love to make it. I've got 2 cups of red washed lentils here, just normal lentils that you get from your supermarket. Here I've diced 2 onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 carrots, and 3 potatoes. Really, really easy to do. And then in here, I've got loads of spices. Hopefully I can remember them. We've got cumin, we've got coriander, we've got mustard, we've got garam masala, we've got turmeric, all as 1 tablespoon. And then we've got a teaspoon of salt in there as well, and a stock cube. All we have to do now is add 6 cups of water to this, and then we just leave it to cook. We're going to cook on the fire. Come and join me outside now, and we'll get it steaming away and simmering off. Right, so the first job is just to make sure that the fire's up to temperature, and then once it is, with the Dutch oven pot over it on the tripod, you just put in a little bit of oil and then toss in the spices, toast those off a little bit before you add in the onions, the potatoes, the carrots, and give those a stir as well so that they get coated up lovely in those spices. Then it's time to add the lentils and then 6 cups of water just to cover. Give it another quick stir around, and then just pop the lid on. It is as simple as that. It's a really, really, like I said, really healthy, really nutritious meal. And it's one of our go-tos on Narrowboat Bluebell because it's just so easy and cheap. And so it fits in with our busy day absolutely superbly. Can't wait to see what it tastes like though. Okay, so it's been about an hour that this has been cooking away over the fire, and it smells amazing, and I'm hoping that it tastes just the same. Typically I would have this with rice, but we had rice at lunchtime, we had a late lunch, so I'm just going to eat this as is. Now listen, the crew's away, so Daddy's going to get munching, but it smells amazing. Let me just see whether I can grab a spoon quickly. So here it goes. It tastes as good as it looks, guys. Super, super easy, super nutritious, and very, very, very tasty. Okay, so today in the workshop, I'm going to be making a bracelet, a hammered copper bracelet for Catherine from this little piece of gas line. So it's copper pipe, and I've already annealed it. I've gone on and heated it and quenched it off in water. So the next job is to get busy with the hammer. I'll see you on the other side, and let's see what we turn this into. Okay, and so after nearly 20 minutes, this is what we end up with. This is a 16cm hammered copper bracelet. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. All of my stuff is handmade, upcycled here in Bluebell's Narrowboat workshop, right back here on the stern deck of Bluebell, in some pretty amazing scenery. This one was made for Catherine, here between Whittington and Kimber on the Staffs Worcs Canal. And I really hope that she loves it just as much as I did making it for her. So much for joining us this week on Bluebell. I really do hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please go ahead and hit that like button, and also share this video with all the friends that you feel may appreciate spending time here on Bluebell with the Bluebell crew. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then comment in the comment section below to say that you're a new subscriber, because we love to welcome every new stowaway to our adventures. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Lots of love. Bye.